Hello there guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I just bought this ceiling lamp from Ikea and it is called the Skurup. So why I bought this type of lamps that's hanging from the ceiling? Because I was amazed with the effect that it does to the room, and it does make it looks like a showroom or a studio. So without further ado, let's open this up. But before that, I just want to tell you that I estimate that this weighs about not more than 2 kilos, or maybe 1 and 1/4 kilograms. So yeah, it's quite safe to be hanging on your ceiling, even if you are a newbie at installing things. So let's open it up, as usual. Open it, and take off the plastic cover from anything. Please dispose it well, or else it's going to be pulled around by your kids or children and might get them into trouble with the suffocation and things like that. Okay, so the inside, like the first unboxing, we have this. I would call this unboxing because it doesn't have a box, but it's more like an unpacking. Yeah. Now, inside here we have the manual book, and alright, yeah. Let me glance a bit on the manual book. It has some safety precaution warnings or information. Other than that, let's see. It does tell you how to install it. Okay, so it has a hook that you can. Okay, so it also comes with hooks that you can use while you are hanging it from the walls or the ceilings, or if you would like to just yes, the hooks are for to ease the process of installing it. You see, I just go straight to page 6 and 7. As you can see over here, that's the main function, the usage of the hooks. Why it is applied to you? Because it makes the installation easier and simpler for you. And then when you're done with the hooks, you will hang it on the ceiling using the permanent bolts. I mean nuts or screws that they have provided. Okay, so let me see what do they provide together in one package. Because actually I got two. I'm gonna put it like perpendicular or in a line, so that it will give the effect of the studio. So when you open it up, make sure that you don't cut the item or the connection itself. And inside here we have there's a rubber tube which is about 3 inches long, and this over here are the connections, live and neutral, there indicated by the globally or internationally recognized brown for live and blue for neutral, like so. Right? Okay. Now I can see there is a small plastic package that has been taped to the main rod over here, which is this part. So inside here you will have the hooks that will help you with the installation, because from my experience installing, unboxing and assembling IKEA items, their method is so well planned and designed so as to you can even install it even by your own without any helpers or assistance. So you have the hooks, and these are the two, maybe one would like to call it slugs or nuts because it has threads here. So what you do is you're going to, sorry, butterfinger. So you're going to screw this onto the ceiling and using the wall plugs. I think you can use just the normal 1-inch plastic wall plugs to hang this because this is not such a heavy thing. And so, once you're done screwing this to the ceiling, so what you do is you just pull this up, this contraption over here, and then you're just going to screw it in, and it's going to hang from the ceiling, and you're going to do it both ends right there. So it's a straightforward assembly method, and of course you can, with the holders for the bulbs, you can bend it upwards to the sides or towards the walls or from the walls, away from the walls, and that can create the studio effects. So yeah. For the bulb, Ikea also sells them, and as indicated on the shelves where this light is placed, they also put a recommendation there to use the GU10 type of bulb, which is indicated. Where is it? GU, there it is. GU10. So this is what you're going to use, and they sell this in 3. There's another type that was sold individually, and that one costs 3 times as expensive as this. I am sure that this solid header doesn't give the same effect as the individually more expensive type of LED bulb, which also can fit on this light assembly, but this will sure do the job. And for a beginner in lighting like myself, I think I am satisfied enough with this. So it has these 2 connections that you can just put in there and then turn it. Yeah, I believe you have to turn it, yes, clockwise, just like you do any screws. So while driving over here from Ikea when I bought this, so I've just thought of things that I should be aware of, which is the distance between one nut to the other, where you're going to fix it onto the ceiling. So if you get it wrong, if it is smaller, then you cannot fit both to the ceiling, or if you measure wrongly and you go wider, then you could not also fit onto the ceiling. So you have to get the right length of this. And in the plastic, it doesn't supply you with any of the measurement instrument to do that. So you have to do it well with a tape measure. You have to get this center of both of these nuts so that you can have it hanging on the ceiling. Okay, time to install it onto the ceiling. Okay guys, I forgot about something. Just figured out what this tube is for. So once you have connected the live and the neutral cables onto this connection over here, you're just going to close this connection box, which is equipped with these latches and bolts like so, and then you are going to close this cover. But before that, the wires that are protruding out from this, you are going to use this rubber tube, place it there, and then you're going to close this plastic cover and this tube will be neatly covering your wires while it's stuck to the ceiling, right? Because I think you have to cut this there so that this tube will be at the same level as this nuts here, and then your wire to the ceiling will be concealed in this tube here, and it will leave a very neat installation. Welcome back, guys. Having gone of this helpful 100 plus when we're doing our something, right? So we have to get hydrated with some, is that alkaline? Something like that. By the way, look, the lights from Ikea Skurup has just been successfully installed. Please don't mind about the wiring because I've already kept it to the half moon. This half moon usually is being used on the floor, but I plan to use this anywhere in this new house of mine, so that it will look clean and tidy, right? So I've had the covers painted white so that it matches the ceiling, and now I'm going to show you how it looks like when it is lit up. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that! All 6 of them all lit up successfully, and it's pointing and it's illuminating this wall feature that we did. Actually, my wife did it. What is it called? Actually, it is called Nippon Momento. So it will be supplied for you with the primer itself and the tools and thingamajig. Oh yeah, let me just share with you. What color is this? It is called the Deep Forest, and it has been mixed with sparkle pearl. So you can get that number if you would like to have the same effect on your wall feature like this. So that's so nice, right? It has some texture, that is why it is called Deep Forest. And then the sparkles. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys closer to the wall. If you can see, if you can notice some sparkles as we move along. Can you see that? Yeah, especially when it is being lit up by this studio style lamps or lights, Skurup from Ikea, and it does look, kind of fancy and kind of posh, but actually we did it with half of the cost that will be involved if you call a third party or a contractor or a vendor to do it for you. Because to do this, it will take some skill of it, which I don't have. That is why my wife did that. I just helped with the primer, and my wife did all of this abstract design of it. So, come to talk about the lights, right? It can be adjusted if you allow me to. Let me show you how you can adjust the direction of the light, like so. Actually, you can direct it anywhere you like, to the right or to the left, lower it or make it higher, up to your preferences. So I've had just a short discussion with my wife on how the outer one should point to the edges of this wall feature, like so, and the middle ones on each of these set will be pointing, it is pointing down straight, like I can say 60 degrees down. so that you can lead up the bottom part, and also goes the same to the middle one, the center one for the right set, and for the inner ones pointing to the center of the wall feature. So it's up to you to play around with the angles to get the best effect of your wall feature. What else can I say? But I'm getting addicted to this wall feature. Don't be surprised if I put this on every walls in the house as time goes by. Okay, right? So yeah, talking about the bulbs, right? I told you that it cost 23 ringgit for a set of 3, but I saw that they also sell individual ones which cost 20 ringgit per unit. I think that one would be a lot brighter, or maybe a little bit whitish because this is amber, right? Okay guys, so that's all for today. I'm going to do some unboxing and installing and assembling in the future because it's a new house. So I got lots of things to unbox and assemble. Stay tuned for the next episodes, and till then, be good, enjoy life, and cheerio!